Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to use the application of Strava. You will go to Strava app. In this page, you will click in this sign here of record. If you want to record your steps, here you will click in this sign to turn on this record like this. And here you can choose on settings, you will choose your map. Here you can add it, you can add anything here. You can also stop this record. Also, if you want here to go to this sign of groups, you can go to groups if you want to do challenges with group or clubs or anything you want here. Also, you will find here maps if you want to add your maps like this. Here also you will find this sign of settings. You will control all settings. Here you will find push notifications. In this page you can turn on or turn off. You will find here if you want to go to privacy controls. If you want to select everyone can see your profile page or followers or anything here. Also here hidden details, you can turn on to hidden or turn off. Here we'll find also blocked accounts. The accounts that you blocked, you will find it in this page. You can also here edit past activities. In this window also of settings, you will go to this appearance. If you want to change your appearance from light mode or to dark mode, here you can change your email. You can add your email and you will change it. Here you can go to manage apps and devices. You can connect with Google Feeds. Also here you can click on connect an app or device. You can connect your device like this to Huawei here or Samsung or anything you want, Fitbit or anything. Then here in this page you can go to this sign of profile. You can edit your profile like this. Here you will add the name. You can change your profile photo. You can add your city, your state, your primary sport, running or cycling, bio, birth date, gender, weight. Then you can click on done to save changes. And here you will check your developments here. As you see in this page, you will find here your activities and statistics. All things you will find it in this page on your profile. So I think that's it. That's how to use your application of Strava. So that don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.